Award of Distinction. Decast Ltd. Vaughan NW Residential Community Underground Stormwater Management Facility. Schaeffer Associates Ltd. was retained by Vaughan Northwest Residences Incorporated to design the Vaughan Northwest subdivision, ensuring that Vaughan's parkland requirements was met. An underground stormwater management (SWM) I-storm facility was designed by Decast Ltd., which maximized land use by combining the SWM land parcel with an above-ground public park. Decast Ltd. developed a precast concrete mix design that increases the structure's durability by being resistant to chloride corrosion and incorporated several accessibility features to allow for various inspection and maintenance options, including vehicle access. This robust facility will function for many decades as a SWM detention tank while keeping residents safe from the risks of traditional open ponds and allowing them to enjoy a green park space. This project was submitted jointly by Schaeffer Associates Ltd. and Decast.